Hi everyone, it's Emily. Welcome to Travel World. Today we have a family edition of Rome and what you can do there with your children. This city has something for everyone. The little ones will be begging to return for more. We are about to embark on a whirlwind tour of 10 of the top child-friendly spots in Rome that you absolutely cannot miss. From ancient history brought to life, to water parks and fantastic gelato making, we have it all covered. First up, we are travelling back in time to ancient Rome at Gladiator school. If you have got a little history buff or an energetic adventurer on your hands, this is an absolute must-do. Located just a stone's throw from the Colosseum, Gladiator school gives your kids the chance to train like real gladiators. We are talking about learning sword fighting techniques, trying on authentic armour, and even participating in mock battles. They will learn about Roman history and the different types of gladiators, and even get to hold real Roman artifacts. The instructors are very experienced, super engaging, and make learning fun and interactive for all ages. Witnessing your little one transform into a fearless gladiator is an experience you won't soon forget. Plus, it is a great way to burn off some energy before indulging in some delicious Italian pizza. Gladiator School is an unforgettable adventure that combines education and excitement in the heart of ancient Rome. Don't miss it. Next up, our second spot is a place that is all about hands-on fun and learning. Explora, the Children's Museum of Rome. This place is an absolute paradise for curious minds, with interactive exhibits designed to spark creativity and imagination. From exploring a life-size model of a human body to navigating a mini-city, there is something here to captivate every child's interest. One of the coolest things about Explora is that it encourages children to learn through play. They can experiment with different scientific concepts, explore the world of communication, and even try their hand at being a chef or a firefighter. The museum is divided into different themed areas, each with its own unique set of activities. And the best part, everything is designed specifically for children, with clear explanations and engaging displays. Explora is the perfect place to spend a few hours or even an entire day, fostering a love of learning and discovery. Be sure to check their website for special events and workshops, as they are always adding new and exciting things to explore. Okay guys, number 3 is for those who love gelato. I know I do. And what is even better than eating gelato? Making it yourself. In Rome, there are tons of places that offer gelato making classes designed especially for children. Imagine your little ones learning the secrets of crafting the perfect scoop, from choosing the freshest ingredients to churning out those creamy, dreamy flavors. These classes are super hands-on and engaging. The children get to put on little chef hats, mix and blend real ingredients, and even get creative with their own flavor combinations. And the best part, they get to try their delicious creations afterward. I highly recommend booking a gelato making class in advance, especially during peak season, as they tend to fill up quickly. It is a fun and memorable experience for the whole family, and the children will be so proud of their gelato making skills. And they will be just as impressed by how good their creations taste. Get ready for a time-traveling adventure at our 4th destination, Time Elevator Rome. This 4D experience takes you on a whirlwind journey through ancient Rome. With moving seats, wind, and water effects, you will feel like you are actually there. Soar over the Colosseum, witness gladiators, and feel Mount Vesuvius erupt. Time Elevator. Rome brings history to life in a way textbooks can't. It's educational and entertaining for all ages. The show lasts about 45 minutes, perfect for children. Located in central Rome, it is easy to fit into your itinerary. The little ones will be talking about it for ages and asking to go back. Time elevator. Rome is a must-do for families visiting the Eternal City. It is a fun and memorable way to learn about history. Alright, adventure seekers, get ready for a day of aquatic fun at our 5th place Zoo Marine. Located just outside of Rome, Zoo Marine is a fantastic theme park that combines thrilling water rides, captivating animal shows, and educational exhibits all in one place. It is the perfect escape from the city heat and a guaranteed hit with children of all ages. Imagine watching dolphins leap and twirl in a spectacular show, coming face to face with playful sea lions, or even getting up close and personal with gentle giants like sea turtles. Zoo Marine is all about promoting marine conservation and educating visitors about the importance of protecting our oceans, all while having an absolute blast. But Zoo Marine is not just about the animals. It is also home to a fantastic water park with slides and attractions for all thrill levels. From gentle lazy rivers to heart-pumping water coasters, there is plenty for everyone to enjoy. You can easily spend an entire day here, splashing around, exploring the exhibits, and creating unforgettable memories. If you are looking for a fun-filled day trip from Rome that combines entertainment and education, Zoo Marine is the perfect choice. It is an unforgettable experience for the whole family and a great way to cool off and make a splash during your Roman holiday. For our 6th destination, if you are looking for a tranquil escape from the bustling city while still keeping the little ones entertained, then the Orto Botanico is calling your name. This is not just any garden. It is a sprawling wonderland of diverse plant life from all over the world. Imagine strolling through bamboo forests, or a Japanese garden, or coming face to face with the kind of exotic flowers you have only seen in books. It's an absolute feast for the senses. And the best part? The Orto Botanico offers awesome educational programs specifically designed for kids. They can participate in hands-on workshops, learn about different plant species, and even try their hand at gardening. It is a fantastic way to combine learning with the outdoors, fostering a love for nature in the process. Trust me, after a day at the Orto Botanico, your little explorers will be buzzing with excitement and newfound knowledge. Don't forget to pack a picnic basket and make the most of the serene surroundings. The Orto Botanico is a true hidden gem in Rome, offering a refreshing change of pace from the historical sites. Plus, this is an Instagrammer's dream with photo opportunities around every corner. Get ready for a dose of legend and fun at place number 7, the Bocca della Verita, or the Mouth of Truth. This ancient marble mask is shrouded in mystery and local folklore. Legend says if you lie with your hand in the mouth, it will bite it off. It is fun to watch others get nervous as they place their hand inside. A great way to introduce Roman mythology and history to your children. Imagine the hilarious photos you can capture with apprehensive faces. It is a memory you will treasure forever. The Bocca della Verita itself is a sight to behold. This massive marble face is a testament to ancient Roman artistry. Don't miss out on this unique experience. Oh, and brush up on your truth-telling skills, calling all thrill seekers and adventure enthusiasts in the making. The children will definitely love our 8th place. Get ready to experience Oasi Park, a haven for younger children in the heart of Rome. This amusement park is jam-packed with exciting rides, captivating shows, and engaging activities that will keep the little ones entertained for hours on end. From gentle carousels and mini roller coasters to bouncy castles and playgrounds, Oasi Park has something for every energy level. Imagine the joy on your children's faces as they zoom around on colourful rides, their laughter echoing through the park. And it is not just about the rides. Oasi Park also boasts captivating shows featuring talented performers, acrobats, and even adorable animals. It is a feast for the senses and a guaranteed crowd pleaser. After a day of non-stop fun, grab a bite to eat at one of the park's many restaurants and cafes. They offer a variety of kid-friendly options to satisfy even the pickiest eaters. Oasi Park is the perfect place to create unforgettable memories with your family. It is a whimsical escape from reality, a place where imagination runs wild and laughter knows no bounds. So, get ready and prepare for a day of pure joy and excitement at Oasi Park. Okay everyone, we are about to step back in time at our 9th place, Castel Sant'Angelo. This is not just any castle, it is over 1,900 years old and has seen it all. Emperors, popes, you name it. Imagine the stories these walls could tell. The children are going to flip when they see this place. It is like something straight out of a fairy tale, with towering walls, secret passageways, and incredible views of Rome from the top. You can almost picture the knights guarding the castle. Inside, there are fascinating exhibits about the castle's history, from its days as a mausoleum to its time as a fortress. Plus, the views from the top are absolutely breathtaking. The walk up is worth it, and you can tell the children is all part of the adventure. Don't forget your camera. Get ready for our final spot, a sensory overload everyone, because Piazza Navona is a vibrant explosion of sights, sounds, and delicious smells. This bustling square is like the heart of Rome, and there is something for everyone here, especially the little ones. First up, the street performers. From talented musicians to hilarious mimes, they will have the children entertained for hours. And the fountains? Absolutely stunning. The Fontana dei Quattro Fiumi, with its dramatic sculptures, is a must-see. But let's be real, no trip to Piazza Navona is complete without indulging in some delicious Italian treats. Grab a gelato, try some fresh roasted nuts, or savor a pizza while soaking up the lively atmosphere. Piazza Navona is the perfect place to end your Roman adventure. Just let the energy of the city wash over you as you watch the children laugh and play. It is pure joy. And there you have it, my friends. 10 of the most incredible child-friendly spots in Rome that will have your whole family saying Arrivederci to boredom. From gladiator schools to ancient castles to vibrant piazzas, Rome has something for every little explorer. We hope this video inspires you to pack your bags and create unforgettable memories with your family in the Eternal City. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if it helped you and you enjoyed it, and subscribe to Travel World for more travel tips and family-friendly adventures. It is free and greatly helps our channel. Also hit the notification bell so you do not miss out on future videos, and let us know in the comments what places you would like to see. Thanks for watching Travel World, and goodbye from me, Emily. See you in the next video.